Now we're ready to get up on foil and start flying. Make sure you feel comfortable on the board, you feel balanced, and you become properly acquainted with your throttle. These are the key ingredients for a successful ride. Before you learn how to foil, take your time completing several successful practice rides and getting very comfortable with the throttle. You should feel confident standing up on your lift and carving turns before trying to get up on foil. First, turn off your governor if it's activated. Make sure you have lots of clear space, free of obstructions, as you'll be going faster and can quickly approach objects that might seem far away. Start with touch and goes, meaning you ease onto foil by shifting your weight back while at sufficient speed, and then slightly let off the throttle while shifting your weight forward to bring the board back down to the surface of the water. This is a delicate process and takes practice to master, but it's the foundation to foiling with confidence. It's important to know that your throttle affects how fast you're going, but your weight distribution controls the elevation of your board. When shifting your weight to adjust elevation, relax and use slight movements to make adjustments. Make sure you don't lean back too quickly when getting onto foil, or this will happen. Riders who come from a surfing or skating background will often position their feet on the center line of the board. This makes it more difficult to balance the board from side to side. To increase stability, it's a good idea to offset your feet towards the rails of the board. Once you're comfortable controlling your elevation and staying on foil, practice making large open turns. Stay in control and maintain a speed that is comfortable for you. If you feel that you're losing control, straighten out the board and gently bring it back down to the water. Foiling in rougher conditions requires significantly more control over your foil than when riding in flat water. So make sure that you are very proficient at foiling in flat water before taking flight over the waves. As you can see, there's a lot of room for progression and a lot of fun to be had. My friends and I have been doing this for years, and we're still stoked to get out there every day and carve new turns. Our intention with this project is to take that amazing feeling of hydrofoiling and to share it with you. We are really excited that we've gotten to the stage. We want you to go out and have a great time. We want you to stay in touch with us, let us know how it's going. And listen, you are now part of our family. So if you're ever in Puerto Rico, hit us up. Let's go hydrofoiling in our backyard. Let's have a great time.